Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's start your reading. So, ako po pala si Madam E at ito yung reading para sa mga water sign. Pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba guys. Kahit po heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Pasensya na kayo guys, medyo madilim ngayon. Pinatay ko muna yung ilaw kasi medyo mainit siya eh. Kaya, ayan. Ayan na lang muna. For water sign, you do have your well-being and animals. So, dito sa main energy mo, yung iba sa inyo, I don't know if you're an animal lover, there's an animal here. Pero yung iba naman sa inyo, it could be an animal guide or spirit guides, no? With the well-being, ang focus mo ngayon, or ang dapat pag-focusan mo ngayon is either yung health mo, yung health ng animals or ng pets mo if you do have one, because I feel like you are currently pwedeng may mga nagpapadrain ng energy mo ngayon, yung iba pwedeng may mga sakit na na-experience, nararamdaman. Yeah, spirit guides is here at the bottom of the deck. Nabanggit ko kanina yung dito with the animals, your spirit guides. Actually, they are always there for you. Tinutulungan ka nila para you do have your healing. So, tinutulungan or tinuturuan ka rin nila kung paano ka mag-heal. Tinutulungan ka rin nila financially. They are also helping you para maka-heal ka dito sa pagsubok na ito sa buhay mo. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng nakakaranas ng mga financial difficulties. Sino yung person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? Person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. Financial health and transformation is here. So, yung person na nakakonect mo could be someone na, alam mo, malaki na initulong niya sa'yo. I feel like nagkakaroon ng growth or magandang transformation financially dahil sa tulong nitong taong to. So, somehow, kung hindi man siya mismo yung nagiging tool para magkaroon ka ng growth financially, nagiging inspirasyon mo siya. So, malaki yung chance na magkaroon ng success or growth sa'yo through the help of this person. Kahit, alam mo yun, as a lucky charm lang. Actually, ito napakagandang sign na ito na you are compatible. Kasi pag ikaw mismo nagkakaroon ka ng growth, financially nagiging okay ka, then maybe you are with the right person. Pero kung ang nangyayari sa'yo, puro problema, pagbagsak, kalungkutan, ganto ganyan, tapos yung iba, pwedeng nagkakaroon ng problem with regards sa buhay mo, it could be kasi wala ka sa tamang tao. Dreams is here. Finding. Marami nalaglag. Wait lang. Person nakakonect mo. Emotions ninyo. You do have here boundaries. Oh, okay. Truth. Okay. So, yung person na to, parang utak kasi ginagamit niya ngayon. Kumbaga reality check, hindi tayo pwedeng basta-basta magpadalos-dalos or hindi pwedeng, I feel like there's separation and lumalabas itong person mo through your dreams and you do have your finding. For me, this is like a sign na parang nagiging chaser or ikaw yung naghahabol or ikaw yung naghahanap dito sa person na to. You want to talk to this person, you want to communicate sa kanya, kaya lang hindi possible sa ngayon, kaya kasi nga there's boundaries, maybe there's a lot of reason. Yung iba, it could be third party, family, religion, distance. So, with the truth here, so ito yung tinitignan ng person mo kung bakit um, nagkakaroon nga ng separation sa inyo. Kasi kailangan nating hindi pwedeng isang tabi itong boundaries na ito sa atin eh. And you're looking or finding your person, hinahanap mo siya, and you do have your psychic abilities, maybe merong spiritual connection sa inyo nitong person na to. So what is the message for you in the near future? In the near future for you. In the near future para sa inyong dalawa. In the near future. You do have your compassion. Actually, nagpakita na yan kanina. Grieving. Strength and manifestation. Bottom of the deck is the beauty. Okay. Actually, ito, at nakakita tayo ng kalungkutan sa'yo, which is, hindi mo naman kailangan kasi malungkot dahil with the compassion is here. Masyado kasi nang nagmamadali sa connection ninyo. Like, allow the divine timing to happen. Strength card is here. Yung person nito kasi magmamatigas pa rin siya. Magmamatigas. So, kung ikaw ay gagawa ng action para makipag-connect, communicate sa kanya, wala naman yun patutunguhan or wala kang mapapala. Dahil magmamatigas lang yung person. No? Manifestation is here. So, this person is focus na mailagay sa reality kung ano man yung mga bagay na manifest niya, like maybe financial freedom, whatsoever. Marami siyang iniisip dito na gusto niya munang unahin and hindi yung connection ninyo. So, I'm really sorry to say that. Pero, ito parang guidance kasi ito yung reading na ito sa'yo for you to focus on yourself. You do have your beauty. Diba? Ano bang dapat mong ayusin sa sarili mo, itsura mo, yan. A lot of you is kailangan meron kang tanggalin, you do have your closure, tanggalin sa sarili mo, like maybe bad habits, diba? Kailangan mo tanggalin to kasi hindi na to nakakatulong sa'yo, physically, sa health mo, whatsoever. So, yung mga bagay ka kailangan mo nang ayusin sa sarili mo at huwag kang mag-focus sa connection mo sa person na ito. Okay? And sabi ko nga, just trust the divine timing. Huwag kang magmadali. Kasi yun lang naman makapagpasakit sa'yo pag masyado kang nagmamadali sa connection ninyo. Thank you for watching guys. I love you all and bye-bye.